for being with us here and celebrating the 72nd Monday of Central Colleges of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Yan. Yan po ang ating mga artists. Photo op po muna tayo. Ayan. Ayan, harap po tayo. Baliktad po. Dito po tayo sa ano po. Ayan. Okay na po? Harap po dito. Yan. Brought to you by Idol Studio PH in cooperation with Central Colleges of the Philippines. Again, we would like to thank our sponsors, Vital Purified Drinking Water. And of course, see you to our next P-Pop Campus Tour! I am Ate Zam and I am your host for this Saturday. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Yan. Grabe naman, all out talaga ang pagsuporta sa